Can you see that I can't contain my happiness? It is a 2 out of 2 Europa win for my favorite team. Yesterday, Aston Villa was playing against Feyenoord. Feyenoord in the Dutch league is the top team, and yet Aston Villa managed to bag a 0-2 victory against them with class football. The two goals were done by McGinn and Bundia. Oh my God, I'm so happy we are turning things around. Any which way, people were waiting for Europa because it is right up Unai Emery's alley, and we've had back-to-back victories there. I just read today that Arsenal in Champions League and Aston Villa are the only two teams who have bagged victories in both their matches in Europe. Every time Megan scores, it makes me so happy because see, I'm a new football fan, so I may not understand the sport as well as others. But one thing I know for sure is that there is so much noise about player transfers, their skill set, and whatever. Like there's so much that is discussed. And this time, when Aston Villa was having a tough season, even I was feeling very low that we've not bagged any of these star players, and I don't know what the future of us in the season is going to look like. But then we have these classics like McGinn who turn things around. They're so dogged, like they're so dedicated to the team. And sometimes that's what matters because he keeps his head so sane. He's a very good captain. And when things got tough for us, it is him who has led the team with example by the way he's been playing. And I'm so proud of him. I like him so much that when I ordered this jersey, I had to choose a player. And because I'm a new fan, I didn't know. And I was also worried that this is an expensive jersey. So, which player am I supposed to choose? Because transfers happen and I don't want to be heartbroken. But somewhere deep down, I knew that Megan is Aston Villa for me. Like, he's truly a villain. So, yeah, I'm so happy that he scored yesterday again. Talking about the underdog player of the match for me, it has to be Bizot because, oh my God, another clean sheet. When the squad was announced, there was Martinez in it. And then at the last moment, you saw that because of some injury, or he didn't come and Bizot came. He's shown such good headspace, and also he's like, it's not easy to follow after Martinez, right? So he does a great job with that. I after a match, rather than reading stats, I go to everybody's Instagram pages and then I see what every player has posted and what the other players are commenting. And it was hilarious because on Bizot's post, referencing earlier Unai Emery's speech, all the players were just like, Marco Bizot. Marco Bizot. Like they just kept joking about it. It is so much fun. I'm really looking forward to our match against Burnley. And yeah, I hope we keep the form going up the Villa.